Good morning, my dear students. So let us start today's class. Today I'll start your new exercise number 5, lesson number 5, which is powers and exponents. So very important chapter. In class 7, actually, powers and exponents are introduced to all of you. Okay, it will be again you learn in class 8, class 9, class 10 onwards. Okay, so very important chapter, powers and exponents. So at first you have to know what is exponent. So look at the 46th number page. It is given in book Exponents. The large number can be written in shorter form using exponents. Suppose large number. Suppose the question is you have to find like this. Suppose like this. You have to find the value. That means the expression is 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. That means 5 tens you multiply. So these things you can write in shorter form. Okay. So how can you know which thing we have to write? So just look at the expression, how many which number is multiplied. In this case, which number is multiplied? Only 10 is multiplied, so you just write 10 here. After that you have to know how many times you multiplied 10. So 1 2 3 4 5 times multiplied, so that 5 you just write above the number 10 and little right side of the number 10. Okay, 10, this one is 5. That means from this expression you know that number 10 is multiplied 5 times, and this one is known as power and exponent. So and it is actually pronunciation, that means it is read as 10 to the power 5. That means the 5 is power to 10. Okay, clear? So this one, look at this one. Mass of the earth is 598. Lots of zeros, so it can be written as 5.9 into 10 to the power 24 kg. Okay, so again suppose one number is like that, a into a into a into a into a. Okay, suppose into a. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 a are multiplied. So which number is multiplied? A. And how many times? 7 times. So a to the power 7. Okay, this is called exponent. Okay, so one thing you just learn, suppose there is a negative number -1 whole to the power 2, it will be 1, but -1 whole to the power 3, it will be -1. That means a negative number, suppose having the power, this one is known as power, a negative number having the power odd even times, that the value will be 1. That means -1 to the power 2 means what? -1 into -1. Already we learned that number and power means what? That number multiplied this number of times. Okay, so -1 into -1, minus into minus become plus, the value will be 1. But -1 whole to the power 3, -1 whole to the power 3, that means what? -1 into -1 into -1. -1 is multiplied 3 times, so minus becomes plus, again plus minus becomes minus, so -1. That means you remember one thing, whenever there is a negative number and having the powers, then just look at the power. If the power is even, then the value will be positive. Okay, and the power is suppose odd, then the value will be negative. Okay, so now come to the exercise 5.1. Exercise 5.1, question number 1. Find the value of, you have to find the value. That means given is 8 to the power 5, we have to find the value. 8 to the power 5 means what? 8 is multiplied by 5 times. Okay, so 8 8 is 64. Okay, 64, 8 cube 512. So it is written as 512 into 64. Multiplication do yourself. Okay, 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Again 6 2s are 12, 2 1 carry on, 6 1 6 7, 6 5 is 30. So 8 6 7 2 3. Don't get confused with 512. 8 into 8 64. 64 into 8, 8 4 is 32. 2 3 carry on, 8 6 is 48. 48 plus 1 5, and so 8 into 8 becomes 512. Again 8 into 8 becomes 64. So 512 into 64. So 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 6 2s are 12, 2 stay here, 1 carry on, 6 1s are 6, 6 plus 1 7, again 6 plus 5, 6 into 5 30. So 8, 4 plus 2 6, 7 2 3. That means 3 2 7 6 8. 3 2 7 6 8. Okay, this is the value. This is the first one. So question number B. B is what? 9 to the power 4. 9 to the power 4. That means 9 is multiplied by 4 times. Okay. So all of you know, I think 9 into 9, 81. Again 9 into 9, 81. So 81 into 81. 1 8. So 8 1 is 8. 8 is the 64. So 1 6. So 9 into 9, 81. Again 9 into 9, 81. That means you have to multiply 81 into 81. So 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 8, 8. 8 into 1, 8, 8 is 64. So 1, 8 plus 8, 16, 6 stay here, 1 carry on, 4 plus 1, 5 and 6. So 6, 5, 6, 5, 6, 1. Okay. So now come to the next question. Next question, question number C. 111 cube. Okay. So 111 into 111 into 100. Okay, I'll solve in the next video.